Today, we will see how to create an auto layout card. First of all, I will create a card in fast forward mode. Obviously, name is important. Price. I will add some star rating. Let's give it an appealing color. And now, add a button. Add auto layout and give it a fill color. Add auto layout to each layer. Now, select all 4 frames and make it auto layout in vertical direction. Also increase the spacing. Reduce the top and bottom padding of the button. Give it a background color. Select the image and frame. Add auto layout. Reduce the gapping to 0. Change the frame width to fill container. Add some padding to all sides. Select these two and add auto layout. Select star rating and button. Add auto layout. I will make this horizontal direction. Give it a radius value to look good. Make sure to click the clip component. Image is not working. Set the image to fill container. Make this frame 6 to hug content. Set this frame 5 to fill container. It is working. I want to change the button position to right side. Make this fill container. Yes, it is fine now. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.